Hey, thank you so much for coming to my studio. It's always great to hang out, talk about art, go over some techniques together. So today we are working on the background of this painting in progress, which is the sugar skull. Today I will teach you how to go ahead and cut Frisket film, leave this part pretty much empty, and then paint on it and create this really beautiful, beautiful edge work. So it's very exciting. Hold on to your airbrush. We're going to have a great time. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hitting that subscribe button, you won't miss any of the new tutorials that come out. These are free art lessons for you in airbrush and pencil and pastel, not to mention some really cool videos, how-tos, and tech gear for artists. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. The bell icon will alert you when new videos are coming out.
If you're thinking about leaving, let me know. If you're thinking that you don't wanna hurt me, coward, I'm getting bored. 'Cause I can find another, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for. Oh, this is what we gonna do. You never come clean and you never come through. Take your shit and don't come back. Looking so surprised how you could do me like that. It was all up to you. Give me some space, I don't care what you do. And give me back my money too. 'Cause I'm going out tonight. I'm gonna leave it all, yeah. I won't let him get into my mind. No, he thinks he can, 'cause he's a man, but he is just a boy. No, won't let it steal away my shine now. I know you're thinking about me from time to time. Before you do anything stupid, think before you speak your mind. 'Cause I am on a roll, yeah, so don't hold me back. You're not allowed to spend my time, 'cause that is what you came here for, right? Oh, yeah. This is what we gonna do. Oh, you never come clean and you never come through, yeah. And don't come back. Oh, you're looking so surprised how you could do me like that. It was all up to you. Oh, give me some space, I don't care what you do. My money too. 'Cause I'm going out tonight. I'm gonna leave it all behind. I won't let him get into my mind, no, yeah. He thinks he can, he's your man. Oh, won't let it steal away my shine now. Get up and try again. Oh, I won't let him get into my mind now. Oh, he thinks he can.
So I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial, the how to apply the background in a painting. So don't forget that next time we are going to actually put the Frisket back on the background, and we're gonna go ahead and paint the face. It's gonna be beautiful, you're gonna love it. I hope you have a great week. It's always a pleasure to hang out and talk about art. Take care of yourselves.